Daily Dose of Two reviews here, part 2 of turning a crate into a tool chest. What you see in front of you is all the pieces that I already cut out. I didn't record it because it's going to be kind of a long video, I think, unless I edit it very well. But I cut all the pieces that I'm going to do for part 2. So I am going to have 2 small little shelves that are going to go inside of the tool chest. And then all the woodworking that I'm going to do outside. So give me a sec and we'll start on this project, part 2. Alright guys, so I'm going to take that wood glue, put it on these pieces that I cut out, and then I'm going to use the Central Pneumatic 18 gauge. I believe this is a 3-in-1 or 2-in-1. For now at the moment, I do not recall. But I'm going to do that right now. Just looking for the side that I'm going to have to work less on. So that ends this part, and now we're going to do this end. Same deal, I'll put some glue on these things, and I'll show you guys when I staple them on. Well guys, I finished putting that side together, so I didn't videotape it. My mom called, so I was on the phone when I was doing this, but we're not done yet. So next, is to put the cabinets together. Well, the drawers, not the cabinets. The drawers together. And these are going to be inserts, so they will go inside. Over there. Let me get myself situated so we can start putting those together. All right, guys, I'm gonna use a 1 1/4 spade bit, Hercules. to drill 2 holes through all 4 of these planks here, or pieces of wood. They're going to be the walls for my little inserts. And I'm going to drill these holes so we can pull them out easily out of the tool chest. So here we go. First one. Hold on, let me measure this to get this accurate. Alright, let's see if this comes out as I'm hoping it does. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's get some glue on this and then we'll start putting it together. Hey guys, I'll let you guys see when I put the bottom on. Alright guys, we're going to put some glue on this now. Put the bottom on of the first insert. And I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. I'm not going to show it to you guys. It'll just be repetitive. I can just get one corner done first. I'll see you when I'm done with the other one. Alright guys, there you have it. The insert drawers are done. Now we're going to move up to the inside of it. I've got to put a few pieces of wood so that they stay in place. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so the insert drawer, I've clamped it to the sides of the chest here so that I can put this piece of wood that I cut out, one in the front, one in the back, so they can sit on them right there, and then it'd be leveled. Then I can just pull them out whenever I need to. So let's see if this works out. Alright, well that didn't work. Let's try it again. Looks like this time right there. I only put 2 in so that I can check it. Okay, so it looks like it's level. Alright. Well, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. When I'm done, I'll let you guys see what it looks like. Alright guys, the inserts are done. Let me show you what it looks like. Just pull them out. Kind of reminds me of the Foot Locker. Alright, so I only have one piece left to put on to complete part 2. There will be a part 3 to this, where I paint it. So this is the last part that I gotta install. I might as well do it now. So pull these out. Just add some wood glue. We use some clamps to hold it in place. You guys actually see this? Let's finish it. Alright, let's finish this. Sorry about the compressor. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. Once again, this is Daily Dose of 2 Reviews. If you guys like what you see, please comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends. And as always, signing out.